Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel 1-2-Step, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can see your balance or your money on your Bigo Live account. To do so, first of all, just download your Bigo Live app, and after making sure you have a stable Wi-Fi connection, open your Bigo Live app. And after opening the app, log into your account and you'll be on the live page of Bigo Live. And here you can see an option for me on the bottom right side of the screen. If you click on me, it will take you to your profile. In here, there is an option for wallets as well. If you just click on to wallet, give it some time to load and it will load up on your screen. Here you can see an option for diamonds or beans. If you just go on to diamonds, and you can see that there's an option for account balance. Right now there is 0 on my account, but for you it can be different, and this is how you can see your money or your balance on your Bigo Live. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification, and don't forget to drop a comment for review. And for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.